Have you ever wondered why restaurant stir-fry chicken is so juicy and glossy? It's not magic. It starts with how the chicken is prepped. Cut chicken thighs into small pieces. You can replace them with chicken breast. Place them in a mixing bowl. Here's the secret to restaurant quality stir-fry chicken, a classic Chinese marinade. First, season with salt. Salt helps the chicken hold on to moisture so it stays juicy. Mix well before adding other seasonings. Followed by white pepper, which adds mild heat and aroma. Soy sauce, it adds a savory umami taste. Dark soy sauce, it adds a rich color. Cornstarch slurry. We have here a teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. It helps the chicken to stay juicy by creating a light coating. Mix together. Finally, add oil to seal the marinade and prevent sticking during stir-frying. Mix together and let the chicken marinate while preparing the other ingredients. You can also marinate it for longer if you have more time. This Chinese marinade keeps your chicken incredibly tender. Give it a try and see the difference. Cut cabbage, scallions, garlic, and ginger. You can also add other veggies or proteins. I'd love to hear what you like to toss into your stir-fries. Please comment below. Let's make the sauce. Mix tapioca starch and water. Here's another secret to restaurant quality stir-fry. Many Chinese chefs prefer tapioca starch over cornstarch for a smooth and glossy finish. Add soy sauce, which adds saltiness. Dark soy sauce, it adds a rich color. Oyster sauce adds umami taste. Chicken stock provides moisture. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Add the marinated chicken and spread it out. Stir fry until completely cooked through for about 4 minutes. Add the garlic and ginger. Stir fry until aromatic for about 10 seconds. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once hot, add the cabbage and stir fry until lightly softened, about 20 seconds. Return the chicken and the sauce. Stir fry everything together until glossy and evenly coated. Add the scallions. And that's it! My family's favorite weeknight stir-fry. Easy, flavorful, and perfect with rice or low meat. Subscribe, follow, and like for more Asian dishes you can make in 30 minutes or less. And remember to check out my cookbook for even more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching.